Welcome back, guys. We're at the Pullman Historic Site today in Chicago. Pullman was America's first planned model industrial community, and it stood at the center of railway innovation in the late 1800s. Unfortunately, though, things went downhill with the Pullman strike of 1894, which caused then-President Grover Cleveland to send in the National Guard to stop. The strike managed to reshape the labor movement and the national labor policy in the country, and ultimately is the reason we celebrate the holiday Labor Day every year. The Pullman National Historic Park is designated as a U.S. National Monument, so it is controlled by the National Park Service. And what's nice is there's a museum inside the old administration and factory complex building, and everything is very newly renovated. One of the most well-known company towns in the United States, Pullman has risen and fallen throughout its history, but one thing that's neat is that there's still some old building remnants standing. The main gate completed in 1881. So now we're across the street on the other side of the park, over at the Hotel Florence. And other than the main administration building, this is definitely the coolest building to see in the park. The magnificent Gothic Revival Hotel was built in 1881, and the historic Pullman Foundation purchased the hotel in 1975 to save it from destruction. If you're in the area or looking for a fun day trip, I highly recommend visiting Pullman. To learn about the planned industrial community, railway innovation, and the labor movement, Pullman is the perfect place to celebrate and appreciate our history.